What's going on, everybody? My name is Mason. I'm a part of the social media team with America First Credit Union. We are here today at Lagoon Amusement Park. When you use your America First Visa card, you save $9 on a single adult admission pass. With that $9 extra, we are going to show you some fun things that you can do at the park. So let's go ahead and go into the park and see what we can do with our extra money.
Thank you for joining us at Lagoon. We've had such a great time. As you can see, we just got off Rattlesnake Rapids. We're soaked. We had a blast. Use your America First Visa credit or debit card for $9 off any adult ticket. And we showed you all the different ways that you can use that $9, and there's so many more. So come down to the park, use your card, and we hope you have a good time.